G'day. The last time I worked on my Triumph, I put this door on, even though the hinge was a little bit messed up. That was a mistake. The door's got to come off again so I can attend to this hinge. I'll whip this door back off again and see if I can address the failed door stay mechanism. Removing the door isn't too big a deal. Just 6 nuts. This will give me a little bit more room to work around this region here. To recap on what the problem is here, the little dowel pin that holds the broken bracket here only comes out through the bottom. I've got to try and figure out how to punch it back through in some sort of non-destructive way. My idea is to see if I can extract the entire unit. It appears as though this is a press fit, not welded. If that's the case, I should be able to press the assembly back out through this way. I'm using one of the original nuts. Its job is to protect the thread, and I'm putting it up on here so that I've got the end of the stud and the nut flush with each other. I'll be applying the force using this G-clamp. So I'll just crank up some torque onto the G-clamp. Now I'm going to encourage movement with a bit of percussion. Not too much. Just a light tap. That looks like. Yeah. That's exactly what I wanted. The old piece has come out. I can go to the spare parts car, do the same thing. Remove the functional assembly, which I'll then be able to press back in. I do have a problem here. This has had the stud broken out of it. I'm going to see if I can give it a couple of sharp taps. Hopefully it'll come out. Will I be able to make a single complete assembly out of these two broken ones? If I can get them apart, that's one thing. Putting it back together is the easy part. I think I'm going to try a hot spanner on this one. I think I'm going to be a little bit more destructive on this one. That is not quite the result I expected. With this one, I'm going to try and be a little less destructive. And see if the magnet will pull it out. I'm trying to only heat the center. I think that's the only part that's providing any real friction. Outer part isn't providing much friction at all. The next attempt is going to be to try and split that inside lever, which I think is a very painfully slow way of doing things, but hopefully this might be the last thing I have to try. Oh, you... Another day, another mistake made. To see how I'm gonna deal with this, stay tuned. See ya.